Welcome to our SST shrink sleeve machine videos. These videos will help you navigate our SST ecosystem and keep your machine running great. In this video, we'll be installing a new thermal ribbon in our regular Godex printer, but this procedure will also work for the wide printer. First, you'll want to open the printer by releasing the front latch, and the printer will automatically lock in the up position. Your machine will come with a roll of thermal ribbon and an empty spool. The thermal ribbon will have an adhesive label, just peel it back prior to installing it. Now, install the thermal ribbon roll by placing it into the open deck of the printer, into the spring-loaded clips, and it should lock into place. Now, take the loosened adhesive strip from the ribbon and the empty spool and start winding it up, attaching the adhesive strip to the empty spool. Once the black part of the transfer ribbon appears, you're ready to place the empty side of the spool into the deck. Now, release the latch to lower the cover of the printer and place the empty side into the slot at the top. Once it's clipped in, you can rotate the dial to tighten the ribbon and reveal only the black thermal ribbon. Well, that's it, and happy printing! If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. My name is Rich. Thanks for watching.